Why I started an online business. And why you should too. If you're someone who's been working hard through the night and beyond, trying to make ends meet, trying to build a better life, I know exactly how that feels. I used to work overseas as an electrical engineer in Saudi Arabia, and now in the US as a freelancer. My name is Elmer. I've seen a lot of beautiful places, but let me tell you, I always missed birthdays, graduations, and important moments with my family, especially my kids. And when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, I lost my job, and with it, my sense of security and morale. But sometimes, losing something becomes the beginning of finding something better. I started searching for another way to live and earn, one that won't keep me stuck in the 9-to-5 grind or miles away from my loved ones. That's when I discovered this guided, simple, attainable, and legit online business system. It provided me the tools, training, and community support to build something new from scratch, no prior experience. And today, I'm working toward achieving a life with more time freedom, more flexibility, and one day soon, being reunited and home again with my family. I'm not a tech wizard. I'm not a marketing expert. But I took a step closer to my dreams, and now, I'm here to share the same opportunity with you. If you've been praying, searching, or just feeling stuck in what you do, I invite you to take a look. Click the link to watch the free webinar that opened this door for me. It's just an hour of your time, and it could change everything. The team is here all the way with you. And together, let's unlock your online business potential. Don't wait for the perfect time. Create it for you. It starts with one small decision. Again, click the link below to learn more and let your journey unfold.